So I was asked this question recently. Do I think new aircraft technology will boost pilot pay? And I thought about that for a while, and I don't know that the two are necessarily correlated. Um, because usually the question is, will AI take pilot jobs? And absolutely not. AI will not take pilot jobs. People do not want to get into an airplane flown by a robot, at least not for the next 20 years, 30 years for sure. But I do think that there are points where AI could help manage situations. So imagine in the cockpit you have AI looking at systems, and let's say you've lost a hydraulic line, but you've lost three other things, maybe unrelated to that. Maybe AI is sitting there going, "Oh, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. You have a bad, XYZ." And so it helps, instead of you sitting there having to troubleshoot and go through like a QRH of what the next step is and try to figure out what the problem is. Maybe AI has helped you figure that out faster so you can then react faster. Only problem is the AI that we have now is not really good with unpredictability. So this would be something that had to be developed into the future, which at the speed of which we're developing things could be next year. but reality is that I think our tools. So when I started flying, I was flying from VOR to VOR. But now I have GPS in my airplane, and now I have ForeFlight on an iPad, even with kind of a classic airplane layout in a Cessna 182. I have this 10-inch iPad that sits in the window to my left, and I'm able to see weather. I'm able to see what the ride conditions are up ahead. I'm able to pull weather from other airports. I can see a plane view. I can see all the traffic around me. All this just through one single iPad. Airline pilots now also are getting the same thing with ride reports, but also they're doing better at predicting where the smooth air is in flight. So you can see that on the app. I understand that it's not always 100%, but it's more than what we had 5 years ago, 10 years ago. I also, in my aviation career, I was carrying around boxes of plates, right? Approach plates. And now that's all in an iPad. I missed that. I left right when the iPads came in, but it's how that relates to, do pilots get paid more money because of new technology? Not necessarily. I don't think those two are going to correlate. I think it correlates on the profitability of the firm or of the airline. Is the airline more profitable because there's more automation in the cockpit? Not necessarily. You could say that they stay in business. They have less crashes, less big payouts, less issues. Just thinking about something, you put in which runway you're going to in your taxi instructions. Right now in ForeFlight, it'll draw a line and make sure that you stay on the correct route. We see that. You think about that. If you have air traffic control technology that communicates with that as a backup, you have less runway incursion. So there's all kinds of things that technology can do to help with safety. But I think in the end, pilot pay is related to the profitability of an airline. And that's more important than the technology on that side.